fancy on your site, so it makes it look fancy, and it also gets to meet your needs. And a logo design, of course, you have to have some kind of brand on your site so everybody can actually recognize it. High quality images, very important, especially for the bloggers. Your blog posts really say a lot when I say very nice image. An image editor, if you need to make further changes to your image. There's Canva. I would suggest you all Google Canva. Does anyone know what Canva is? Yes. 1, 2,
Canva addict.
Alright, so please look this up.
I actually have a tutorial on Canva for beginners.
Canva.com. This would make you a champion of wonderful things in no time. Sorry, was this presentation built with Canva?
Yes, it was.
So I have a presentation that was built with Canva. So you don't have to be what's it called, a PowerPoint magician. And if you don't have PowerPoint on your laptop and you have internet, you're good.
Sorry, excuse me. So I actually have a video where I made tutorials, about 4 or 5 videos for Canva, on Canva for SMEs,
Okay.
and how to get about it. So you can meet me later too.
I'll gladly meet you for
made the
that.
video.
Yes, I made the video.
Okay. Sorry, what do you use to make your videos?
Okay, so we'll talk about that after the training. I would like to know myself too. I'm definitely going to ask.
Yeah, my YouTube channel. So
We have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Alright, great. Google Analytics. I will not break our heads over this, but it's actually good. This is good. It grabs statistics about your website, how many people hit it, from where, how often, and things like that. Alright, so you need to select a domain name and a hosting service. Think of your domain name as like the business name you register with CAC. Alright, so I've gotten this name, and no one else in the world can get this name unless I discard it. No one else in the world. Anybody in the world looks for this, it's me they're talking about. Okay, so when you buy a domain name, it really has to reflect who you are, and you also try and keep it as short as possible. I see people who buy domain names, my company Nigeria Limited. I'm sorry, but if I need to send you an email, I'm not going to type hello at my company Nigeria Limited.com. I don't have that power. So try and keep your domain names as short as possible, or as easy to remember as possible. We remember most domain names because we know the companies, but we also remember them because of what they stand for. It's easy to remember. So try and make your domain names easy to remember.
So is that .co or .com?
That's .co.